$1. Saving a single dollar every day represents the baseline of micro-investing, accumulated just by emptying loose change or choosing a slightly cheaper brand at the grocery store. Diverted into a standard index fund, yielding an average historical return of 8%, it grows steadily. By the end of 20 years, this daily habit transforms into roughly $17,500. It serves as a psychological stepping stone, proving that wealth accumulation requires an unbroken chain of small decisions rather than a massive initial income. $3. Committing to a $3 daily diversion crosses the threshold from incidental spare change into deliberate financial planning. Finding this amount might mean canceling an unused streaming subscription or opting for tap water instead of a purchased beverage. Over 20 years, the power of compound interest turns this $90 monthly commitment into an impressive sum of about $53,000. Wealth managers point to this specific tier to highlight the hidden opportunity cost of minor recurring subscriptions bleeding out of a budget unnoticed. $5. A daily savings of $5 represents a recommended starting point for young professionals beginning their investment journey. This amount typically substitutes a premium coffee shop habit or a frequent fast food breakfast. Directed into a compounding investment vehicle over 2 decades, it expands significantly to approximately $88,000. Reaching this milestone shifts a person's financial perspective as the interest earned in the later years begins to rival the actual out-of-pocket contributions, vividly illustrating the mechanics of passive income generation. $10. Shifting to $10 a day requires a structural approach to budgeting, such as packing a lunch for work rather than dining at a restaurant. This represents a $300 monthly investment, a common target for individual retirement accounts. Left to compound over 20 years at a standard market rate, this daily choice generates a portfolio worth roughly $176,000. The accumulated wealth becomes substantial enough to fund a child's university education or provide a reliable income stream during early retirement. $15. Saving $15 every day moves a person into a more aggressive wealth-building phase, achieved by strictly limiting evening entertainment expenses or driving an older, paid-off vehicle. Over a 20-year period, this level of discipline creates a financial buffer of roughly $265,000. Advisors frequently use this figure to demonstrate the long-term cost of lifestyle inflation, showing how choosing utility over luxury in daily life eventually buys years of absolute financial freedom and security later on. $20. A commitment of $20 a day represents a serious dedication to long-term capital growth, requiring both careful budget management and a reasonably stable career income. Diverting this $600 monthly amount into the market yields a formidable result, growing to approximately $353,000 over 2 decades. This sum fundamentally alters a person's life trajectory, providing the exact capital needed to start a mid-sized business, purchase investment properties, or transition out of the traditional workforce entirely. $30. Saving $30 a day crosses into the territory of heavy accumulation, usually managed by high-earning professionals or individuals operating side businesses. Over 20 years, this nearly $1,000 monthly contribution harnesses the intense gravity of compound interest to reach around $530,000. Reaching this milestone means the portfolio itself is likely generating more than $40,000 a year in passive growth, effectively replacing a median wage job entirely through nothing but capital appreciation. $40. A daily savings of $40 requires a highly intentional approach to personal finance, often achieved by dual-income households strictly living on just one salary. Pushing this $1,200 monthly amount into diversified investments for 2 full decades builds a massive capital reserve of approximately $706,000. Individuals at this level of wealth accumulation are primarily focused on generational wealth transfer, as the principal amount can sustain significant annual withdrawals without ever depleting the original invested core. $50. Setting aside $50 every single day represents the pinnacle of standard retail investing, amounting to a profound $1,500 a month. Over 20 years, relying on average market returns, this sustained habit yields a total of approximately $883,000. This final tier transforms the concept of saving from simple future preparation into the active construction of a financial dynasty, providing total autonomy over how, where, and when one chooses to spend the remainder of their life. $80. Saving $80 every day demands a highly optimized financial structure, translating to roughly $2,400 a month in capital deployment. Reaching this tier usually involves maximizing all available tax-advantaged retirement accounts while simultaneously feeding a taxable brokerage portfolio. Over a 20-year horizon, assuming historical market averages, this aggressive strategy compounds into a staggering balance of roughly $1.4 million. Crossing this specific threshold is culturally significant, as it proves that seven-figure wealth can be systematically engineered through rigorous daily discipline rather than relying on an inheritance or a sudden business windfall. The portfolio generated at this level acts as a permanent financial shield, capable of producing a robust, inflation-adjusted salary indefinitely. $100. Committing to a daily investment of $100 serves as the gold standard for the modern financial independence movement. Finding $3,000 of surplus cash every month is typically the domain of high-earning professionals, dual-income households in lucrative fields, or operators of highly successful small businesses. Directed into the market for 2 straight decades, this routine yields a monumental accumulation of about $1.76 million. At this stage of capital concentration, the daily mechanics of money fundamentally change. The sheer volume of wealth requires sophisticated tax planning and estate management, as the individual transitions from simply securing their own retirement to establishing a permanent economic foundation for their descendants. $1,000. Diverting $1,000 into savings every single day leaves the realm of traditional personal finance entirely and enters the domain of ultra-high net worth wealth management. This massive $30,000 monthly surplus is generally restricted to elite corporate executives, top-tier entertainers, or founders of scaling enterprises. Over 20 years, the relentless mathematics of compound interest transforms this immense cash flow into an empire of approximately $17.6 million. At this extraordinary magnitude, capital ceases to be a mechanism for buying time or comfort and instead becomes a tool for institutional influence. Funds at this level are routinely deployed into private equity, philanthropic foundations, and venture capital, ensuring the initial daily habit leaves an indelible mark on the broader economy for generations.